How to use MyFitnessPal app for weight gain. Firstly, you have to open the MyFitnessPal app. Secondly, you can see here search for a food. You have to write the name of the food and search here and select the food according to the calories that you required here, and you have to select a meal timing, like I am going to write this on the breakfast. In this way you have to move on the diary here. You can see you can add your lunch, breakfast, dinner, snack, exercises and waters. You can make your healthy days wide chart of your food and exercises. In this way you can gain weight here. Just make sure. Thank you so much. That was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck.